Tesla's new tiny house for sustainable living. Time Magazine's Person of the Year for 2021. Forbes' first billionaire with a net worth of $236.8 billion. CEO and founder of Tesla, Spacex, The Boring Company, and Neuralink, among others. Despite all of these titles, Elon Musk lives in a house that costs significantly less than one of his Tesla cars. So stay tuned as we'll share some inspirational information about Tesla's amazing new tiny house for sustainable living. Hello, and welcome to another Elon Musk News YouTube channel video. In this video, we'll talk about Tesla's amazing new tiny house for sustainable living. Before moving further, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming amazing videos. Elon Musk's primary house at the moment is not some opulent palace. We're all aware that he can afford it. Rather than that, he lives in a $50,000 little cottage near SpaceX's Boca Chica, Texas development and testing center. Musk announced in June 2021 that the majority of his assets had been sold. So why would Elon Musk sell his luxurious residences and move into a $50,000 prefab home? In June, he revealed his intention to sell his last home. That is not surprising. According to the statement on Twitter, Musk has only one house in the San Francisco Bay region, which he leases out for parties. He appears to have sold the mansion in light of a ProPublica investigation revealing that American billionaires such as Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett rarely pay their fair share of taxes. The survey indicated that the wealthiest executives in America barely pay a fraction of their wealth and taxes, despite the fact that their total wealth continues to grow. On June 9th, he mentioned his previous residence in a reply tweet. Quote, "Yes, I sold all of my properties except for the one in the San Francisco Bay Area that is rented out for events. Tesla is developing sustainable energy for the Earth, and SpaceX is safeguarding the future of awareness by making life multiplanetary. Additionally, risk mitigation using Neuralink and traffic management with Boring." On June 14th, he announced his intention to sell his home. He already stated in a prior article that his primary domicile is a $50,000 house in Boca Chica, or SpaceX-rented Starbase. Has Elon Musk officially confirmed Tesla's ridiculous new small house by sharing this? Why not? In Boca Chica, he is constructing his own space colony. He's created a slew of fantastic projects over the last few years, and based on his track record, he's capable of creating Starbase, about which the public currently knows very little. Boca Chica is a little village on Texas's southernmost peninsula where residents lived in peace until Elon Musk and SpaceX established a presence there. He'd been eyeing it for about a year. In March, he declared that he would rename it the Starbase. In an effort to expedite investment, SpaceX is expanding its manufacturing operations in Texas to serve its satellite-based internet service Starlink. Who knows? Musk may not need to live on Earth much longer, as he aims to inhabit multiple planets by 2026, including Mars. While one may expect a millionaire to live in luxury mansions, Elon sold all he owned to move into this mystery flat. It's evident that the house's design is so good that Musk would love to live there. But who built and designed Musk's Tesla home? We must bear in mind that Musk's fortune soared after Tesla's stock surged 500% in the last year alone. Yet many are surprised to hear that Elon Musk's home in Starbase, Texas is not a magnificent palace, but rather a 20 by 20 foot box produced in bulk. You heard that right. Musk is now residing in a 400 square foot studio. His home was developed by Boxable, a construction business that specialized in affordable, easy-to-build housing modules. This figure does not include the cost of landscaping permits or utility hookups. The Boxable homes are not lavish, but Musk has the means to fill in the details through design. Boxable shared a video of the casita in November to reveal that the company had constructed the home in Boca Chica for a high-profile and top-secret customer. Although no names were mentioned, Boca Chica is not exactly a center of celebrity. They created this one-of-a-kind residence to satisfy the requirements of a top-secret client. That is, according to Musk, where he is currently residing. Since Boxable homes are manufactured in factories to fit inside shipping containers, it's rather simple to deduce what's inside the mystery house. They spent years prototyping with steel, concrete, and EPS foam to determine which materials would not degrade. The walls, flooring, and roof are all constructed of laminated panels, making them suitable for highway usage. In some states, shipping is free. However, there are additional expenses for remote locations. The $50,000 price includes shipping and unpacking. However, additional fees like permits and taxes may be required. You can view the interior of the casita in the floor plan, which can also be altered by combining additional modules with 375 square feet of living space. It is fully furnished and equipped with a studio setup. Additionally, it features a 10-foot ceiling and expansive windows and doors. Its compact design does not exclude a full-size kitchen equipped with a refrigerator, double sink, dishwasher, and countertops. Continuing along the walls of the house, a dining space has been created. It has a low-carbon impact, which means you can basically build your home wherever. Musk chose Boca Chica, Texas, since it is close to SpaceX's launch facility. Musk's commute is no longer essential, and these dwellings are also exceptionally durable. Believe it or not, even the Tesla Model X can tow it around. Don't forget that the Model X is worth $79,990, which is significantly more than the house. So we may now learn the true reason for Elon's decision. You may be wondering why he needs to get rid of all those extra items. This looks to be Musk's attempt to leave the smallest carbon footprint possible. Unlike the majority of the world's billionaires, Musk no longer owns luxurious ships or multi-million-dollar residences. Musk has been attempting to live this way for several years, and it's unsurprising that he hasn't upgraded his home despite his repeated pledges. By all accounts, Musk is not regretting his decision. When queried about the little house in Texas, he tweeted, quote, "My primary residence is a $50,000 house on SpaceX's Boca Chica starbase that I rent. It's kind of amazing since my only home is the events house in the Bay Area. If I sold it, the house would see less use until it was purchased by a large family, which could happen at some point." Elon may be the fun-loving billionaire we all know and love, but perhaps we can learn a thing or two from him rather than follow in the footsteps of Richard Branson, who is worth $3.9 billion at the time of making this video, and hopes to sell seats on his space missions for between $200,000 and $250,000. Perhaps in the end, we could be more like Elon. He produces the least carbon footprint of any of his peers and is the world's youngest billionaire. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you think Tesla's new tiny house is going to make people live sustainably? Let us know in the comments section below. And thanks for watching this video. If you found this video informative, do like and subscribe. And don't forget to give comments and provide us with your valuable feedback. Plus, if you want to suggest a topic for the next video, feel free to let us know. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned to the Elon Musk News YouTube channel.